Mariana. I'm hoping that this video will help explain how you can use Journal Finder to identify the actual name of the database instead of using EBSCOhost. So for all of your citations that say EBSCOhost, you want to replace it with the name of the database. EBSCOhost is the company that sells us a whole bunch of different databases. So to do this, you click on Journal Finder and then you look up the journal. So for example, one of your journals is Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology. Notice it's telling me the name of the database. So for the Halderman citation that you have for the Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology, you're going to replace EBSCOhost with Psych Articles. The databases are always in italics, so you have to check every one of your databases and make sure, like you have some academic search premiers that are not italicized. You want to make sure all your databases are italicized. So you're going to do the same thing here with the next one, Professional Psychology, Research and Practice, and it'll tell you what database it's in. Let's see what that one is in. Same thing in Psych Articles. One of your citations, the long Frederick one, that one has an EBSCOhost, but that's a book. We only have one EBSCOhost database. It's called eBook Collection. So you want to change that to eBook Collection. Again, you're going to italicize the name of that database. A couple of other things that I saw in your bibliography. In the Denlin one, you want to remove US:American Psychological Association. This is a journal article. It is not a book, so you would not have anything like that in it. Take a look at your other journal citations. I'm getting the sense that you're not really understanding the elements that go in a journal article. So it's just the author, the title of the article, the journal name, volume, number, date, and page numbers. And then either the URL or the DOI. The entry that you have under Jack Drescher, that is a journal article, and you should know I really think you should get a sense by now how to do the journal article, because you have a lot of journal articles, which is great. But you selected website. So I would, if you have the energy, I would redo this one as a journal article and fill out the form yourself. That way the authors will be done correctly. The italicizing of the journal will be done correctly. Typically, I don't know where you got this journal article. If you just got it from the web, you should have the URL for that website. Pay attention when you're filling out the form. If you get an error message, look at that error message. Look at the warning messages. Really think about what you're doing with this citation. I would also take a look at your Rogers citation to make sure that your capitalization is correct with the title and that your spelling's correct. So it looks like you have got some spelling mistakes there with the New York Times and opinion. Again, the tool, Noodle Tools, should have found those spelling mistakes. So pay attention to warnings, little underlined red lines. It's guiding you on how to do it correctly. With the last citation right, you should by this time really know how to cite a journal article. You'll notice that you're missing the number, the NO that goes with number 12. I know you're editing pre-formatted citations, but if you really want to nail this one, why don't you go ahead and redo it? Insert it start over with a journal citation from a journal citation, and you'll even notice that BMJ open, you would probably even get a warning because the journal, that O in open should be correct. Or you can fix your pre-formatted citation, but people who fix pre-formatted citations really understand MLA, and you're just getting started using this. So sometimes it's better to actually just fill out the form. I hope that helps. I'm sorry, this is really hard stuff. I wish that we could meet in person. I think you'd probably just really get it if you could see it. So anyways, good luck. Bye.